Good morning, everyone. Jorne here with another pre-London session analysis. Today is the 12th of October, and yes, let's go into it. Let's see what happened yesterday in the FX market. Yesterday we were here, yeah. So this is the Monday candle, and I mentioned yesterday that this bearish candle was really important, yeah. Was really important. Remember that I mentioned if we measure 50% of this candle, yeah, then we saw a spike into the 50% on the NFP release on Friday. Sorry. So I was expecting some bullishness coming in, and that's exactly what happened. Look, we had a very bullish day yesterday. Remember, we are still targeting the high of the 25th of September. If you go deeper into the charts, more in depth, and this is also what I shared in the Discord, I was a bit mindful because we had bearish order blocks, consecutive bearish order blocks that have been respected. But I also mentioned in the Discord that once we break this, then we are bearish. If we break this, then we are bullish. We did not break this, but you see how strong these order block zones are. Here an order block, we can see a bullish order block. Why bullish order block? I marked it up here. This bullish order block is valid because we cleared liquidity. We cleared liquidity, and then we ran up. This is a valid order block. We traded back in to this order block and traded higher. So we are now very bullish. If I'm gonna go ahead and delete everything to make it a little bit more clear, and I'm going back to the daily. So now what happened on Friday becomes very important to me. Yeah, I'm gonna highlight the open, yeah, of this bearish candle, and I'm gonna highlight the 50%. I'm gonna highlight the 50%. Okay. So this is the open, this is the 50%. Let's go into 1 hour time frame. What I do like is that the open of the daily candle is within this order block here. Remember, this order block was valid yesterday. Bullish order block. Bullish order block. We trade back into this bullish order block. So this is the next bullish order block. What I would like to see now is maybe a retracement back into the 50% again of this 1 hour bullish order block. And if I look at this, the daily open, remember the daily open? Here, the daily open, yeah. I'm gonna mark it up, might be a little bit more, so it's more visible. So this is the daily open. So the daily open of bullish order block. Yeah, so this is daily open of a bullish order block. If I go back now to the 1 hour, here we are. And the 50% of this 1 hour order block comes at the same price level. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna mark this zone up. I'm gonna delete this. I'm gonna delete this. So this is now the price area where I'm going to look for a reaction. I'm going to look for a reaction first down into my area to then trade higher. Okay, to then trade higher. Or if we break below this point, I do remember that the 50% here, we do have 50% of the daily institutional candle as well, the daily order block. So we can also see a move lower into this zone before we get the next move up. Let's see in the 15 minutes, and then everything is starting to line up, because here we can see some order blocks, bullish movement. We can see some bearish movement before the next rally up. If we extend this a little bit, then we will see that that this zone is actually the same as this zone. And here we have another order block, bearish or bullish order block. Sorry, we tapped into this zone. we run up. So this is also valid for me. Okay, but I don't think we will go that low, because if you see here, we see a bullish engulfment, and then we traded back into this zone, so we mitigated this zone already. So the zone that I'm looking for may be this, but I have my intention on this zone. So I am very bullish on dollar. Let's go quickly into GBPUSD. GBPUSD. So if we are bullish, that means that we are bearish. GBPUSD, right? Okay. What I'm gonna mark up now is this order block here, for our order block. This is what I can see. We see here a 1 hour order block. You can also check the 50%. But I doubt that we will get that high. So these are 3 levels that I'm marking up now. So on the 4 hour, remember the open of the 4 hour, the last significant up move. Yeah. On the 1 hour, last significant up move, the open, and the 50%. Okay, these are levels that I marked up. So I do have 3 lines now. Whenever DXY, whenever dollar is in my zone here, then I will look for where GBP actually is. If we're here, if we are here, if we are here, and I see some reaction in one of those 3 levels, then I will go and sell GBPUSD. Same here, EURUSD. So yesterday we were expecting a move lower. We were expecting to clear this liquidity. It did not come all the way to the levels that we wanted, but that's fine. And we broke the structure now, so we know that we are very bearish. If I'm looking now for entry, for a potential entry, this does not look that clean. Maybe the 15 minutes. Yeah, here we can see some bearish candles. So this might be a good zone where we can sell off. Okay. Oh, sorry, this is this is bearish order block. So I'm expecting price to go a bit higher, maybe in this zone, and then sell off. Look, we have very clear liquidity down here, liquidity in the form of support. This is the Asian liquidity that has been formed. So yeah, this can be a trade if the DXY lines up and EURUSD is in this price area, then we can look for a trade, maybe something like this, which might be a 1 to 3.8 risk to reward. Okay, guys, I really hope that you enjoyed this video. But be mindful, and I will put it one more time. This is not financial advice at all. Yeah, this is just the way that I see the market, and the way that I just like to share my view on the market with all of you. So this is not financial advice at all. So please bear that in mind. I hope this video was useful, and yeah, we see each other and hear each other in the Discord. Cheers, guys.